At 11:52, wind 26021, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff.
Skywest 5273, wind 26021, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 1 left, sir.
At 214, turn left on Echo, contact ground point 8.
Left at Echo, ground point 8, United 214.
At 2328 heavy cross, runway 28 left, contact ground point 8.
Alright, clear to cross 28 left, point 8 other side, United 2328 heavy.
United 1434, San Francisco Tower, 1 left, final point, sharp standing west.
Santa point 8, 1 left, United 1434.
San Francisco Towers, good day, Turkey 798 kilo heavy, establish stabilizer on runway 28 right.
Cross runway 1 left and hold short runway 1 right.
Clear to cross 1 left, hold short of 1 right, right for 1 top.
San Francisco, good evening, getting near 179.
Air India 179 heavy, San Francisco Tower, reduce the final approach speed, tropical hold in position, wind 25021, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Please, waiting near 179, clear to land.
Air 179 heavy, caution, wait turbulence, heavy A350 is ahead.
Pocket heading near 17.
Tower, good day, Turkey 798 kilo heavy, on runway 28 right.
That's 5273, we're moving to traffic.
San Francisco Towers, good day, Turkey 798 kilo heavy, approaching runway 28 right.
United 1152. United 1152, just fly your runway heading right now, please, and maintain 3000.
United 1152, runway heading?
Skywest 5273, flighting 350.
Heading 350, Skywest 5273.
United 1152, fly runway heading and maintain 3000.
Okay, runway heading 3000, United 1152. Go back.
United 1152, how'd you wind up over there?
We're on the trucking. San Francisco Towers, good day, Turkey 798 kilo heavy.
United 1152, turn left heading 280 immediately. United 1152,
left 280.
heading 280 immediately.
280, 1152.
Skywest 5273, flighting 350.
Heading 350, Skywest 5273.
Turkey 798 kilo heavy, Turkish 798 kilo heavy, runway 28 right.
Emirates 41 Papa Super, crossing 1 right.
Crossing 1 right, Emirates 41 Papa.
Left 52, heading 280, maintain 3000, contact NorCal departure.
280, 3000, United 1150 NorCal. Tower Turkey 798 kilo heavy.
Skywest 5273, contact NorCal departure.
NorCal, Skywest 5273.
Tower Turkey 798 kilo heavy.
San Tower, wind 26021, runway 2 right, clear to land, caution, wait turbulence, following a couple of heavies, slow to final, please.
I believe that was for 5687, clear to land 28, right, we'll keep slowing.
Yes, Skywest 5687, affirmative, slow to final, 2 right, clear to land, caution, wait turbulence, following a pair of heavies.
Alright, slowing down, clear to land 28, right, Skywest 5687.
Tower Turkey 798 kilo heavy, could you confirm, clear to land?
Circular 700 kilo heavy, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 right.
Iberia 2621 heavy, San Francisco Tower, wind 26021, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 left, Iberia 2621 heavy, hello.